Hello mga ka-trending! Welcome back to ZK Trend. Bel Mariano nasingit pa talaga sabihin ng isa-isang interview tungkol kay Donnie. At kahit sobrang low-key ni Bel Mariano pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig, tila di pa rin maiwasan nitong mabanggit si Donnie Pangilinan sa kanyang mga interview. Alam naman natin kung ano ngayon sina Donnie at Bel at talaga namang napaka-low-key lang ng dalawa. Lalo na ngayon, kaliwat kanan ang interview ni Bel dahil sa movie nitong Meet, Greet and Buy. Maraming ang natuwa sa ginawa ni Bel. Naisingit kasi nito ang sabihin ang patungkol nga sa roha ni Donnie. Ngunit di rin naman si Bel ang gumawa ng ganito. Nauna na rin naisingit ni Donnie ang Meet, Greet and Buy ni Bel noong fan meet sa kapamilya chat nila kasama si Kyle. Grabe talaga makasuporta ang Don Bell sa isa't isa sa kahit solo era ang mga ito. Di pa rin nagbago ang Don Bell sa isa't isa. Don Bell is never beating the supportive of each other's allegation. Dahil ito naman talaga ay totoo. Ayon nga dito, silang komento ng mga bula sa X. Say anything you want but they will always support each other. Magpo-promote ng solos nila pero ipopromote din ang project ng isa't isa.
The love team Don Bell. How are you feeling with it, doing a project without Donnie?
It was scary at first kasi nga, you know, I'm so used to Donnie just being there. And he's just there, you know. I know how supportive he is. At the same time, ang dami kong natutunan through this while doing this film na, you know, it's not a kilig type of story that we're seeing. There's so much maturity in knowing the emotions that my character will tackle. So there's also a sense of excitement because I've never, you know, done this before. But there's fear, but, you know, we're both vocal about it that as long as we both grow, whether that's separately or together.
Are you open to like do more projects without Donnie?
I mean, as long as we're gonna grow, really, as long as we're gonna grow, he's very supportive of it, and I'm very supportive. He's doing Roha now. Yeah, and panoorin niyo po yan, guys, Roha. Yeah, as long as we both grow and we just really both want to know more about the industry, know more about acting and their craft.